Alright, so figured I'd do a quick update. Little memory log here. So this is 2 cans of gray. Essentially it's down to factory steel, 2 coats of white primer sanded, 2 coats of gray primer sanded, 2 cans of the gray metallic, then dried and sanded, then 2 cans of gray metallic dried and sanded. Same exact thing with clear coat, 2 clear coat dried and sanded, 2 cans clear coat, and now it's drying right now. It's a lot darker than that. Some of the places where my shirt rubbed up against, you can see it's. But what I'm doing right now, that's just what I've been doing the last couple of days because it's actually been very nice out. What I'm doing right now is I'm painting the trim. Just put a quick tack coat on there. A little something to. Just lots of little coats. Over and over and over and over and over again. Lots of little coats. Keeps the paint going strong. Next up, you can see I got the new blinkers in. The new corner lights, the JDM ones, more regular. As you can see here, turn my. Ooh. Pretty sharp. With the halos hooked up, looks pretty sharp. Just got a new l.e.d. today. It's really white, and that is really orange. I feel like it's not coming through like it should. Those are nice. Depo, like $30 on Amazon. Finally got this one to line up right. Happy enough. Lined up, getting synced. But yeah, waiting on FedEx. Should be here any minute. Should have been here a while ago for these fenders. And then that'll be that. The carpet came. I tried to get it. I just kind of tacked it down. Not tacked it. Just kind of stuck it in. And immediately noticed that the rear, if you'll notice, like right here, there's supposed to be more carpet. The sedan carpets come with more carpet because there's a running board there that needs to be. One second. There's a running board there that needs to be. It goes all the way back on the hatchback. It doesn't start there. So this is all the farther I get, and it needs. You can see the thing ends here. So I need from there to there. But and then this is the this is hollow under here. That is where this is supposed to be. So this is supposed to be on the ground, but it doesn't match up. It's factory. And that one does. This side matches up, and the front matches up. But this back bolt on either side does not match up. And this is cut for a hatchback, but it is a sedan because they have the triangular cutouts up there. You can't really see the triangular cutouts for the floor, where the heat vents go in, and the hatchback doesn't have that. So they molded it for a sedan. I asked them not to put the heel pad on. They still put the heel pad on. I hate those things. But it's nice carpet, super heavy duty, excellent. It's got big, heavy under carpeting, rubber matting. It's so quiet. I didn't think I started my car this morning. I like restarted it and made a horrible double starter noise at 5:15 in the morning. I'm sure everyone in the neighborhood heard. I noticed that not only is this one super loose, but both of them are super loose. Well, you can't really tell. on video, but trust me, they're both super loose. Just, whatever. Yeah. So that's about where I'm at. Like I said, I got these bad boys done. Trunk is in the back, and just keep on cleaning up or spray painting the emblem. Just letting that trunk sit out back there until I have to bring it in, really, because it really stinks. That clear coat is stinky. So, all right.